motor is start, load bank is working, 200 watt is there. The LCD is showing that 190 watt, temperature is 29, RPM is equal to 0. Why? Okay, now we will get the RPM. Set કરવામાં કંઈક હાથ લાગી ગયો. The one message is arrived for MCB on condition. And 236 volt is available at output port. What happen if we increase the temperature? The SMS will be sent if the temperature rise over 60 degree. The system will be shut down. System is off. Notification message will be there. MCB is off. Okay. Now the temperature goes below 60 degree and system is automatically automatic restart, and the start SMS is there. Let's take a demo of overloading system. The 190 watt demonstration is there. Let us increase the load with load bank. Mr. Darshan will increase the load. So we have attached another load. Let us see what is so 410 watt. Okay, RPM showing temperature 51, voltage 228. Okay, please add one more bulb. The system is set for 1 HP. 750 watt will be okay. Over 750 watt the system will shut down automatically. Now it is showing 600 watt, which is exactly connected at load bank. 3 bulbs of 200 watt. Now we will attach one more bulb for 800 watt. Let us see what happened. It is on. Wattage is 670 watt. You have attached 40 watt bulb. You will have to attach 200 watt bulb. Okay, don't worry, attach it. System is on. 860 watt. Overload error 860 watts. The SMS will be available at this mobile. Okay, is message there? The overcurrent error will not be terminated or restarted itself. It means it needs manual override or manual assistant to remove error from the customer side. Overload error will be placed on customer side, while over voltage and under voltage error will be generated or created by a GB or a power supply company. So we cannot rectify it as a customer. The power supply or a company who is giving a supply electricity to us will rectify that problem. So it will be automatically restarted when the error will be cleared. But overload and overcurrent error will be manually rectified by a customer. So when the customer will rectify that error and then press a reset switch, then the system will be restarted. Okay, the difference between over voltage, under voltage and overload is that overcurrent will be restarted by a manual assistant, while over voltage and under voltage and also a temperature error will be monitored continuously and will be restarted automatically. So system will continue after temperature drops above higher level, or voltage comes in regular format or regular fashion, then the system will be restarted automatically. But it will not happen for overload error. It will be restarted manually or manual assistant. Okay.